So to initiate a group conversation in Google Hangouts, I'm going to go over here and click one of the members who I want to include in the group, just like this. And then what I can do is I can go on the top right where I can click on this little person and the plus icon right here. And once I click on it, I can find people who I want to add into a group. So in my case, I only have one, so you can see this, but you can find more contacts over here if you have more. And then I'm going to click on create group. And there you go. A group conversation has been created. So if I were to press hi right over here, what happens is that a new group message has been sent to both of the members in the group. In the message, you'll be able to see that there's a third chat box right here. And over here in the other participants window, you'll be able to see that this is what they see. This is both of the members are here, and in the other member, both of the members are here as well, just like that. So now let me just show you another way to create a group. Another way to create a group is to go on to the conversation area, and then you can go to new conversation, and over here you have an option called new group. Once you go on to new group right here, you can select out all the members directly who you want to include in a group or search it out. Let's say, for example, I want to search for a particular member. I can search it out and then add particular members just like that as well. I can even name my group. So I'm just going to type in TutorTube group right over here, just like this. And then what I can do is check that out. And what happens is that there's the group conversation which is started right over here, as you can see. So I can simply say hi over here and another group has been created. So once you create a new group, what happens is that a new group gets created even if there are same members, if you were to choose a new group. And that is how you can create a group conversation and then discuss with one another in the same chat box in Google Hangouts. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.